Hey guys, welcome back to your girl Octavia Beauty. You guys know that we are everything from drugstore to luxury, and we even throw in some bomb skincare. So on this tutorial, on this video, it's going to be a tutorial. We're going to be using the Huda Nude in the medium, and we're going to be using the Nars Tinted Glow Booster in the shade medium dark Tanzini. I think these are the only two new products that I use in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But before we get into that, I want you guys to look down, hit your subscribe button, give your girl a big thumbs up. Now we're about to get into it. So I am going to be swatching all of the colors in this palette for you guys, all of the mattes, all the shimmers. This palette don't have any shade names, but I want to let you guys know that they all swatch beautiful. They were all cream. I know I'm having a trouble swatching them, but I promise you the guys, they were all creamy. They were all so smooth and so easy. Like, they were very, very cream shadows to swatch. They swatch very well. That's just mostly me fumbling with it. So guys, I want you guys to be mindful that this is my first time filming in Georgia and I only have one light with me. So you guys, I am taking the lightest shade in the palette. It's the first shade in the corner. We're taking that shade up into the crease. It's the light brown shade. That shade is going up into the crease and above the crease, and we are blending that shade out. That next shade, we're just kind of taking that in the outer edges, almost like all over the lid, but you guys can kind of see, well, I only took it like halfway to the inner portion of the lid, and that's just our that's just probably going to be like the deepest shade that we use. I only use 3 shades out of this palette. So now I am taking some of that Wet n Wild spray. It's the Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. I'm using it like I would my Fix Plus at home, just wetting the brush. And I went into the shimmer shade and just sprayed that over the lid.
I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you were thinking. Baby, let me know what you were thinking. Ooh, overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and on for hours. did we ever come this way? I know you don't.
So guys, now we're about to use the Nars Tinted Glow Booster in the shade Tanzini, and you can purchase this from Nars.com. Sephora is sold out for $39, and I'm just showing it to you and explaining to you that it's supposed to give you a natural boost, an illuminating boost. You could use it mixed in with your foundation or underneath your foundation. And here I am using it mixed in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and Butter Pecan. But if you guys are interested, I'm using this product again with another foundation, and I put this product on first so you can see it with two different outcomes. So yeah, that's what's going on here. I'm just applying the foundation mixed in with the Nars Tinted Glow and the Too Faced Born This Way.
If I'm the bad one, take a look at yourself in the mirror. If I'm the worst one, ask anybody else who they prefer. If it comes down to me and you, I think that you are the one with a bad attitude.
Now I am just finishing up my makeup. You guys enjoy these, just me going through the normal steps that I would to finish up my face.
Doesn't make you feel good too. Cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you're spreading, can see what happened. I mean, we used to be friends a while back now. I know you're trapped in, you ran into a deep end, a real breakdown. You are imbued with jealousy. Why would you otherwise be charging so hard at me? Why start a conflict? Can't you see that I'm not your problem? All these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed, cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you're spreading, I don't really get it. I don't. You shoot in the dark, cause you got nothing on me. You try to light a spark, but I won't fall for that. I won't fall for that. All these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed, cause I don't really get these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed, cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you're spreading, I don't really get it. I don't. I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach, and one thing you said was listen. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden today when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then, so scared that I would lose.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to finish up this look and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back with the final look. How do you guys like it? It's a little different. So let's just go ahead and start the products. The first new product I used was the Huda Nude in medium. And I think this palette performed very well. The shadows was very creamy, very blendable, very pigmented. I don't have anything bad to say about Huda. Huda Beauty palettes always perform. I've never had any issues with her palettes performing, her palettes not performing like they're not supposed to, or I've just never had an issue with Huda Beauty formula. It always performs, and as well, this palette performed perfectly and great. I think what was the next new thing I used? I think the only thing else that I used new was this Nars Tinted Glow Booster. Now with this Nars Tinted Glow Booster, I did get this recommendation from Yvette Loves Beauty. So shout out to Yvette Loves Beauty if y'all watch her. I love her channel. But I do see like a little subtle glow. It is very subtle under my foundation. So I don't know if maybe if I should try putting the Tinted Glow Booster up under the foundation, or is it better the next time that I try it? I definitely want to try to use this before I put on my foundation, and then put my foundation on afterwards. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna holler at you guys later.